Hello YouTube. My final purchase for my reloading experience kit, whatever you want to call it. I bit the bullet. Right now, the only one that's available is a Frankfurt Arsenal, the one that's vertical, and everyone says avoid it. So I did. There's like 20 of them in and around my area. The second one is the RCBS one, but that retails $140, and the guys that have it are selling it for $180. So I'm not paying an extra 40 bucks. And I've been watching reviews, and everyone says this one. This is the last one available in my area. It took me 2 hours to get there in traffic. Without traffic, it's a 30-minute drive. 2 hours. So in case you're wondering, it's this is not the correct address. It's on the 52nd address right before Federal Muffler. As you can tell, what it is. Yeah. So I bit the bullet with tax in total. Came up to $208. $208 YouTube. And I'm not making money off this channel. That's for sure. If I didn't have as much brass, I would have kept with this. But this, I still got some of the little things. This was all purple from holding this all the time. Yeah, even doing this, you know, you still have to hold it. So I got fed up with that big time. So here we go. Let me check the angle. Oops. Okay, angle's good. So this is just a product accessories. Now the guy told me for 9mm it's one of these. I'm happy it's attached. It's already pre-built. I doubt there's anything else, but you never know. Nope. Honest, it seems like a waste of box for all this. It could have been disassembled. But I can use this for brass. So the large primer is already in there. Okay, I can't find it. I had some 308 brass, but it's somehow disappeared. Okay, that's not good. RTFM. Optional adapter bushings for 9mm. The guy told me that it would do 9mm. Well, this is very disappointing. 45 ACP, 62168 adapter. Do I have it? Nope. So part number 13996. It's a set screw, 13283. So this is for 45 caliber. They didn't have the adapters. This is all they had. So $208, and I can't use it unless this would work. I don't know. Does it show you how to undo it? It does not show how to undo it. Readjustment of locator rod may be required, swaging different brass. It does not say how to change. And all the videos on YouTube that I saw never showed how they changed the rod. So I guess I'll end the video here. I was very excited, as you can tell. But now that I realized that I was lied to, that you can't do 9mm, maybe we can, but I have no clue how to undo this. So I don't want to break it. It's the last one that's for sold here in Quebec. So I'm going to stop the video here, look it up, how to change this, and I'll come back and show you. Yeah. So the only thing that he mentioned was that to place it, the handle has to have the full movement. He says a lot of people complained when they bought it, it's because they had it on the bench and they didn't have the full swing of the lever. Okay, I'm going to cut it here, figure out how to change to the small primer. And here's an example of what I'm dealing with. Something that looks so small, something that's not very obvious when at first glance, but ruins the whole reloading process. This is one that I use. This is one that I use this on. Regardless of my current situation, I'm glad I got it.